Hi, welcome to a tour of my Introduction to JavaScript class on Moodle. My name is Lisa Russell, and I created this course for a project in the course Designing and Teaching Online Courses as part of my Masters of Science in Education Information Technology program. This course is a self-paced course that covers 5 topics in Introduction to JavaScript. The class starts with details about the text, so there's a link here to purchase the textbook at Amazon, the browser required to complete the assignments, and there's also a link to free web hosting, the course syllabus, and information about the final project after students have completed all of the units. In the first unit, students get an overview of the class, an overview of the unit expectations, including required reading, lecture materials, the unit assignments, the forum and quiz expectations. Each unit is laid out in the same sequence, and at the end of the course, after learning basic programming skills, students will complete a final project that demonstrates mastery of the material. Students will introduce themselves to their peers in the introduction forum. In the unit, there are links to outside resources to help with the learning process. There's a unit lecture that covers the first unit in the learning goals, and there's also an additional discussion forum where students can share their understanding of the lecture material. I've included a PowerPoint lecture that can be viewed on SlideShare that covers a basic programming tutorial. Students will complete the assigned exercises from the textbook and upload their exercise files in the assignment section here in the course. After each unit, there is a quiz to demonstrate mastery of the material, and then each unit in the course has the same general sequence where there's lectures, outside materials, discussion forums, assignments, and quizzes. After completing each unit, then students will work on their final project, and this concludes the Intro to JavaScript course. Thank you so much for watching.